Ko Elisapeta Heta taku ingoa, and I am a creative entrepreneur. To me, creative entrepreneurship means marrying the two worlds that I walk between, a Pākehā world and a Māori world, and bringing that into a space of innovation. I am a senior associate, an architectural graduate, and a Kaihautū Whaihanga Māori design leader here at Jasmax. Kaihautū Whaihanga, Māori design leaders, is a role that I've developed with myself and 3 others who run Wakamaya. Wakamaya is Jasmax's Māori cultural navigation team, so we support our office in upskilling the understanding of te reo Māori, te ao Māori, and how it relates to our projects. I got into architecture because as a child my great-grandmother used to send our family these lottery brochures, and if you won, you would win a house. And I used to obsess over the floor plans of those, and so at about age 5 or 6 I used to sit in bed at night and try and draw my dream home for my family. I studied the BAS, the Bachelor of Architectural Studies, and then the MArch Prof at the University of Auckland. I've been influenced by a lot of people along the way. I would say my first influence in a lot of ways was my great-grandmother. She worked on the docks driving cranes during World War II. It was probably one of the most phenomenal imprints on me as to what was possible in a world that kind of maybe told you it wasn't. I've worked both for myself and inside of a big company. Yeah, so for me, the benefits of working in a really large organisation like Jasmax is that I get to carve new ground every day. The job I have now didn't exist when I was a student, and it's been made to exist because we brought it to life. The reason for that being that we were given the opportunities, the space, the time to explore that within a company that had an established sort of reputation. Every day is completely varied and different. I could be out on site, I could be working with mana whenua in hui, meetings, talking about projects. I could be behind my computer screen detailing up projects. I think what I find most challenging about my career is that a lot of what I am doing is breaking new ground, and that involves a lot of testing, a lot of challenging, also trying to convince myself that I'm heading down the right track. For me, one of the proudest career moments was being approached by a young Māori student studying architecture, saying that they wanted to come and work with me because they had seen the career path that we were forging. That was the moment that I realised the effect we were having beyond just our office and our projects we were working on. It was really profound. If I was to sum up my career as it stands in 3 words, honestly it would be tika, pono and aroha. True, correct, honest, and filled with love.